I was driving some time ago in the car, and I looked, there was a car in front of me, and as I got closer to it, I saw a bumper sticker on the back, and it said, "Question authority." And I said, wow, there's a person who does not like to be told what to do, who does not like authority. Listen, God is the supreme authority of the universe. God is the authority. You see, he's a creator. He's the owner. This building is his. This planet is his. This atmosphere around us belongs to God. It's his, folks. And in his grace and goodness, the great creator who is eternal, who is perfect, has reached out to us and given us his son to die on the cross so that we could have an opportunity to go to heaven. We sing that song, such love, such wondrous love, that God should love a sinner such as I. And that's an amazing thing. It's a great thing that God has done.